Uh, Morning. My name is Kanen from Futurum Corporate Finance Advisory. I'm going to make a short video about future value in Excel. Is that one? I think yes. Let me introduce my website. Make it a bit bigger so you can see that. It's www.futurumcofinance.com, or you can that our website, and then you can email us on the futurumcofinance@gmail.com. So it's a simple video. It's not quite complicated in terms of the concept. Just to help you to understand more. Alright, so it's the function that I'm going to explain is the future value, or you can put FV. Okay, you can go to the help menu, you can type FV, and then you can going to go straight to FV function, and it's going to explain what is that. So basically, this is to return the future value of investment based on the periodic constant payment and a constant interest rate. What's interesting is the syntax here. I will copy here to the Excel. Oops. Is that we can copy that? I don't know, I try. No, it doesn't work. Okay, no problem. So basically, you have a rate here and ampere. This is like a number of period, the total number of payment period in annuity. Future value is basically for the annuity purposes. But here you have another optional for the present value. It's quite interesting there. And then you have a type 0 or 1. That depends on whether the payment or the cash flow in or out is made at the beginning of the period. If that's 0 and not, it's 1. Okay, I will check the example that Excel help give us. So we have a 6% here, 10 for your period, and then minus 200 for your PMT, and that's for your annuity, 500 for your present value, and 1 is here they use 1. So the result is, if you can look at my, it's 2581.40. Okay, let me put that into Excel to help you understand better. So we have a rate, we have ampere, we have PMT, or this is similar with annuity. Okay, I think you have to go back and look at your corporate finance textbook, and then you have your PV, and then type. Okay, so I just pick up the, sorry. So this is your percentage, ampere is your amount. There's a number or numeric. PMT is numeric as well, or number. Now you need a dollar sign here. Okay, just copy here and type is your value. It's 0 or 1, so it's like a binary. Okay, what else? So it's a 6% here. You have ampere 10 period, 10 periods. PMT is a minus 200. It's a present value is a 501. I think you use 1 or 0. So 0 or 1. So it's 1. So it's made at the beginning of the period. Okay. So it's 1. Is it 1? Sorry. Yes. So the Excel formula will put, you just insert formula. What's this? It's a financial, I guess. Future value, hopefully it's there. Yeah. And then you go your rate, 6%. Sorry, I think because this is a 10 months, 6 period. So you need to divide by 12. You can see that in Excel, that should be in line. This is like a 10 months. So this is 1 year, and you divide by, and put X here. Then I just move here. Okay, I just want to name it to make it easier. And then you have that's a rate for 1 year, and then monthly rate. So basically you just 6% divided by 12. Okay, so it's a 5%. 0.50%, sorry for that. And then just copy here. Okay, and then you just block it. You go to formula, you go to create from selection, live column. Okay. So you can see that it's already changed to red. For this all you can put like a color if you want, like a no, sorry, you can, because this is the input, you can put like a red, you bold it, you can put italics there. So this is the input, and you have a 5%, 0.5%, 0.50%. You can see that it's already named monthly rate. This is type PV, PMT, and pen rate. So just jump, insert your formula, go to financial, and then you go your future value. And then here we are. NPAR is a rate, F3 rate is a monthly rate. Oh no, NPAR is your here. PMT is PMT annuity, yes. PV is your PV, and then your type is F3, you get type. So you just press it. So you got these numbers. This is exactly with what Excel gave us. So this is I can put like a formula text if you want to see that. Okay. So basically, this is optional for the PV. It's optional. So we can include that or we don't include that. Here it means that we include so we have 3 cases here. I will put here. Let me move it a bit farther. So here include PMT and PV. Okay, and then this formula only include PMT and sorry, still at that. And then you include include PMT only, and then you include PV only. Okay, so I just copy down here. It's okay, still there. So I just put this yellow for the answer, and then you can just copy because you already name cell. So basically you just copy it down, and then this one you take out because it's PMT only. I don't need the PV. Just can blank it if you want. And then for the PV only, so for the PMT I will just put it blank. You can delete it if you want. So we have a different results. I just want to put that in the so basically what does it mean? I mean, basically this is the numbers, but we really want to understand that. So I will put that in the like a period, so we can understand that better. So it's like a 0 here, and then I put like a is that, where's my field? Like I want to put a pattern here, right? Because this is the input, and then we can start with the I don't know. This is a 10 period, so I just copy it right, and then you can fill it. Thing 1, yes. So oops, we still need another 2. Okay, right. I just bold it, put in the mid center. Alright, so so this is what happens is you have unit interest first. So in this case you got 6%, no, 0.50%. Alright, and then this is same. You just have to press F4 and then just copy it to the right. Okay, you put your what they call is like it's a future value interest factor. Okay, hopefully you still remember that. Okay, but this is I want to put this like it's like this is like because this is a type 1, it means that at the beginning of the period, okay, and then it means that okay, we have to reflect the cash flow, but I will discuss that later. I need to come up with the percentage first. So it means that that's the first will come at the beginning of the 1. So 1 here, you're going to compound it that 10 times. Okay, but if that happen in the end of the period 1, it will compound it 9 times. Okay, if you happen here at end of first period, then the compounded 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if happens at the beginning of the first period, it will compound it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so basically it's not really difficult. We have 10 period here. Okay, and then you just so this is 10 times, right? So I just put here F4 minus 0, and then I just copy it down. Right, so we already have the what I know is a compounded period. Total compounded period, I guess. Hopefully it's correct. Just wrap up, I think, to make it short. Yes. Okay, and then we have to sorry, this is interest, so we have a future value interest factor. This one should be, I can put like a 100% here if you want. So we just F4 times 1 plus this one times you multiply it here, and then 1, 0, yes, should be correct. Just sorry, what I'm doing here. Then you just copy to the right. Alright, so that's your, okay, so this is a future value. Okay, now the cash flow. The first is the first case is this is the first case. We'll put blue. So this is, I will call this is a case 1, case 2, and this is a case 3. Okay, I put the blue bold. You can put blue. So we have here so this is one case 1. So case 1 is include PMT and PV. Okay, just bold it, put the white if you want. Alright, so this is a case 1. So the case 1 cash flow is you have just have to save it first. So minus 200. So annuity is this is the annuity cash flow. Okay, you have a minus. Minus means that your cash flow is out. So you have a 200. So it means like if you from depositor per view, it means that your deposit your money. Depositing your money. Okay, because it's minus. Okay, and then you have 200 here. Basically, you can use F3 if you want, because this is the same PMT annuity, and then you just copy it, I guess, to right. So this is your first depositor, but you have another PV that negative. So that negative is this is your PV. This is your you deposit your money upfront. Deposit your money upfront. So your cash flow. This is minus. Okay, put F3. Go to your PV. So this minus happens in the first period. Or you can put like F3. Go to your PV. So this is the your future. This is your cash flow pattern. Okay, I just put here with a cash flow pattern. Right, just a bullet. You can put like a bit fancy, like you put right. So just put color here if you want. I don't know what color that you want to see it, and put here. Okay, so this is the cash flow pattern. So basically now you have to calculate your future value. Just copy here, Control C, then you go to V, and then this is your come on. So this is your future value, okay, calculation. Right, so for your first cash flow, your annuity cash flow, then this is what you just have to type this times your future value interest factor, right? Then you just that's one thing, and then you have your cash flow one time. I call it one-time cash flow. So this is a one-time cash flow. Okay, so I just copy it. Sorry. Okay, and then one-time cash flow is a 500 upfront. It's 10 times. 10 times 10 times compounded. Okay, your monthly rate, and then you raise it to the power of your NPE. Hopefully it's correct, and then you sum this. Oops. That right, and then you just total it. Yes, right, just put a different color. You can put the red. That, I think this one a bit soft for your eyes. Okay, just bullet, put the right. So this is the total. You can put minus here to make it positive. You have minus here to make it positive. Okay, so the answer is Excel help. Answer is this one. So I just copy here, and then the different. This is not Excel help, so it's Excel formula. So difference should be 0. Okay, right. So this is the first video. We move to the second video. Just delete this, I guess. You don't need that. So it's 0. So this is the first case. In the second video, I'm going to explain the second case to understand more about this formula. Save it. See you on the next video.